And welcome back to Newswatch, folks. What we have out there is a little bit of snow in the higher elevations. Karen sent this photo from Lookout, and Mary from Corliss. Highest elevations of Fayette County, a winter wonderland. We still have a few flurries left over along the Route 19 corridor, but the back edge of the cloud cover is now moving across the I-79 corridor. We will clear out later today. Obviously colder than it was 24 hours ago across much of our region, but check it out. Big plume of warmer temperatures across the Plain State. That is heading in our direction. But the latest snowfall report from Quinwood, we've had 1.2 inches of snow. So a general 1 to 2, maybe even 3 inches in the higher elevations from this particular event. We are 27 in Marlington, 28 in Beckley, 31 degrees in Pipestem. Now tonight, our temperatures are going to drop into the upper teens to lower 20s. The sprinkles and flurries will be ending. Expect a heavy-duty frost when you wake up in the morning. Also a couple of icy patches as that moisture freezes on some of the sidewalks. The main thoroughfares will just stay wet. We also have a full moon tonight. Check it out after the clouds clear. If you're up really late around 1 a.m., you'll be able to see that full moon. It does rise at 6:29 p.m. Look at the plume of warm temperatures across the plains. We are in the 70s in Oklahoma City, and that warm air is going to replace the colder air mass that we have locally. Bright sunshine tomorrow, absolutely stunning. Warm temperatures on Monday. We will have a shower preceding a cold front very late Sunday or early Monday, and then our temperatures are off to the races. We add a little bit of wind into the mix, maybe gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour Tuesday and Wednesday, and then thunder as this next cold front comes through. Pretty dynamic front, meaning some wind energy, some briefly heavy rain, and a sharp temperature drop in its wake once we get into Thursday. Culture shock, and then warm temperatures once we get into the weekend. You will feel the pressure change if you suffer from arthritis by Wednesday. I put the really big frown icon on there, and then the big rise in temperatures rise in pressure once we get into Thursday and Friday. So the weather impacts this week: gusty winds Tuesday and Wednesday evening, heavy frost tomorrow morning, low threat for flooding Wednesday evening, severe threat mainly west of 19 Wednesday evening, and black ice tonight. 7-day forecast in writing then. 51 degrees tomorrow, 62 degrees on Monday, 69 record-breaking warmth Tuesday and Wednesday. Put the hot icon on there because it's going to feel like that Wednesday afternoon before the front comes through. 44 degrees on Thursday. Next warming trend begins Friday, and check it out, a week from today, 60 degrees.